Have you ever wondered how a strange-looking cacao fruit becomes the world's most expensive gold chocolate? Today, we will challenge you to a $1 million factory where nature and technology work together to create magic. To drive, start this journey from the field to the factory. This is PCFI process.
It begins here, deep in the tropical rainforests. These colorful pods hold the secret to the world's favorite luxury.
Harvested by hand, each pod is cracked open to reveal the treasure inside, raw beans coated in sweet white pulp. To unlock the flavor, the beans must ferment under the sun. This natural process changes their chemistry, turning them a rich, deep brown. After crossing oceans, the dried beans arrive at the factory. This is where nature meets engineering. First, hygiene is paramount. Vibrating screens and magnets ensure only the purest beans make it to the next stage. Inside the massive roasting drums, temperatures soar. This is the moment the beans release that unmistakable chocolate aroma. The roasted beans are crushed. Air jets blow away the light shells, leaving behind only the pure nibs, the heart of the chocolate. Heavy granite wheels grind the nibs relentlessly. Under immense pressure and friction, the solid beans transform into a thick, dark liquid. To achieve a silky texture, the paste passes through a series of steel rollers. It becomes thinner than a sheet of paper. This is the art of conching. For hours, heavy arms knead and aerate the chocolate, removing any bitterness and creating a velvety, smooth finish. Now, the alchemy happens. Pure sugar and creamy milk powder shower into the dark mass, turning it into rich milk chocolate. A stream of golden liquid cocoa butter is injected into the mix. This gives the chocolate its signature melt-in-the-mouth quality. Perfection is mandatory. A master technician tests the viscosity to ensure the flow is just right. The chocolate cascades down a tempering curtain. Heating and cooling it precisely aligns the crystals for a perfect glossy shine. Hundreds of polycarbonate molds line up, warmed and ready to receive the liquid gold. Precision nozzles deposit the exact amount of chocolate into each cavity. Not a single drop is wasted. A vibrating table shakes the molds vigorously, forcing out air bubbles and creating a near flat surface. For the premium line, roasted hazelnuts are dropped into the still wet chocolate, adding a satisfying crunch. The molds enter the cooling tunnel. Here, in the frigid air, the chocolate contracts and hardens. Exiting the tunnel, a gentle mechanical twist releases the bond between the plastic and the chocolate. A rhythmic tap from the automated hammers, and the solid bars drop free. Perfect, pristine, and ready. Every bar passes through a sensitive metal detector. Safety is just as important as taste. Chaos turns to order as the bars are aligned for the high-speed wrapping lines. Mechanical fingers move faster than the eye can see, wrapping each bar in a protective layer of gold foil. The golden brick slides into its final branded sleeve. A touch of glue seals the promise of quality. Lasers burn the batch code and expiry date onto the package, leaving a permanent mark of freshness. Spider robots, guided by vision systems, pick up multiple bars and place them gently into display boxes. The boxes are sealed, taped, and secured. The journey inside the factory is almost complete. heavy-duty arms stack the cartons onto pallets, building towers of sweetness ready for the world.
Stored in the massive, climate-controlled warehouse, millions of bars await their destination. Loaded onto trucks, these pallets will travel thousands of miles to reach stores across the globe. Finally, on the shelf, a symbol of luxury and indulgence waiting to be chosen.
The peel of the foil reveals the glossy finish. The aroma is instant. A clean, crisp snap. The sound of high-quality tempering. Rich, creamy, and perfect. From a raw bean in the jungle to a masterpiece of engineering.